It goes without saying that a house needs proper fencing and fence gate for safety and beauty. Among the different fencing options, a metal fence can stand up to the elements and will last for years and years. If properly made and cared for, metal fences are very resistant to rust and retain their attractive looks for a long time. Their strength makes them great for safety and security, too. Modern metal fence design ideas vary from place to place and come in different shapes, sizes, styles, and construction materials. Welded metal fence ideas are sturdier than, let's say, chain fence options. Although metal fence ideas may not be for beginner welders, they do end up to be great welding project ideas. Since you will be using thicker material, you can easily execute arc welding or other high current welding techniques without fear of tearing the welded material. Fence gates also come with different shapes, sizes, and construction materials. They are often indicators of the value of the house in several communities. If you are interested in making a metal fence around your property or install a fence gate, we have got several designs you can consider. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you a collection of modern metal fence design ideas and modern fence gate design ideas for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. Watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Metal fences are aesthetically pleasing. The metal could be shaped as per different patterns, making it possible to create intricate designs, which are not easy to come up with wood, concrete, or other fencing options. Steel fences will make your property look more attractive by adding authority and stateliness. Modern metal fences and gates are beautiful and add to the overall aesthetic of any home or business. Another important feature of metal fencing is its low demand for maintenance. Once your metal fence panels are installed, you can pretty much forget about them. While wooden fences require repetitive follow-up and maintenance, metal fences will only need an overtime need to clean and repaint them to keep them looking fantastic, but the level of maintenance is minimal compared to timber fence panels. Regarding applicability, metal fencing is applicable to several locations. Whether you need full-scale fence around your property or just a short border indicator, they could all be made with metal. There are no limits to what you can do with metal fencing. You can use it as a property boundary marker, or course, or as a means to prevent pets and kids from leaving the yard, or even as a trellis for vining plants. If you are into gardening, you can even use your metal fencing as a plant stake to hold up top-heavy vegetables. Looking into fence gates, they are crucial and practical features of the fence since they provide entrance and exit to the space that the fence encompasses. Since they are lockable, they ensure unauthorized entry when you are not around. Make sure to follow your local legislations when installing fence gates since several districts need fence gates in the back to allow access to emergency assistance. Fence gates could also be installed to have proper entrance to your garden or yard. There are several types of fence gates. A standard gate is a simple and apt option to close off your backyard, while ornamental gates are installed to add a flair to your fence. Security gates are installed to provide additional security. There are also specialty gates, which are customized gates that fit your specific needs. Gates could also be named according to their size. For example, a double gate is a gate that is twice the width of a standard gate. These are just a few examples. There are many other types of fence gates available depending on your needs and preferences. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting modern metal fence design ideas and modern fence gate design ideas. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, like and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.